Of the various promotional products that display your message, there's a good chance dye sublimation printing was used to produce your signage. Let's travel to our production facility to get a glimpse at how this printing process is achieved. The dye sublimation process revolves around printing ink onto transfer paper or directly to fabric. Once the ink has been printed to either of those materials, they are then heat set using a calendar roller or a heat press as shown here. For paper transfers, the paper is fed into the roller with the product fabric. The press then produces high temperatures, causing the ink in the paper to become a gas. When the gas comes in contact with the fabric, due to the high pressure of the rollers, it penetrates the fibers, producing the colors of the artwork or image and setting it into the fabric. For the direct-to-fabric approach, the dye sub ink is printed directly onto the product fabric, but it still needs to be fed through the heat press for the ink to set properly into the fibers. When the fabric rolls are done being heat pressed, they are then digitally cut with the use of a Zund cutter. How, you may ask? Located on the pre-treated fabric rolls are these dots, which the Zund can identify with the use of lasers. By being able to read these dots, the Zund can map out how the material should be cut down to the exact specifications as noted by the customer. When the fabric is precisely cut, it then moves on to the sewing and finishing area. Here, sewers check measurements to make sure they have the right size material before beginning the selected sewing style necessary for the order. The graphic then makes its way to the final step, inspection and packaging. In this area, the finished graphics are given one more inspection. They are then paired with the corresponding order number, labeled, and placed on the output shelves ready for shipping.